Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Jergens Extra Strength Moisturizing Hand Wash. Yeah, now, Jergens is a very well-known brand that's been out there for probably a long time as far as hand washes go. And I've used several different ones. This one is the cherry almond scent, and I do not like it. I like the fact that how it cleans your hands. It cleans your hands very well, and it keeps your hands feeling very soft and all that. But the cherry almond scent, I am not a fan of at all. I really did not like this. I got this probably about 6 months ago, and I used it twice, and I was, trying to like it, and it was just disagreeing with my nose. It just really did not go well. It's something about the almond part, I think. The cherry part would have been fine, but something about the almond mix in there, it just was not good. And luckily with Jergens, the fragrances don't linger on your hands. It does not make it like really overwhelming to where you smell it like a lot, and harshly and long time. I've had soaps like that, but Jergens, it doesn't work that way. It's not, you just smell it like maybe for like a few minutes, you'll smell it on your hands, and then you won't smell it anymore pretty much. I'm glad it didn't do that with this. Because I did not like the smell. I really don't. Though the way that the soap looks, it looks kind of like a pearl in its liquid form. If you see that, you see how like swirly it is. I really like that a lot. I really do. I'm really interested in how they make that happen. It's shiny, and it has these lighter shiny parts and like grays and stuff, like weird swirls in there, and I really like that. It just looks really nice in your hand when you're about to wash your hands. It's really nice. I really wish I liked the smell of it, but I didn't. But there are other Jergens smells that are very nice. This one just happened to be one that I did not like. It really bothered me. So I didn't continue using it because of that reason. But I really tried to like it, because all the other aspects of this hand wash really are superb. They really do well. And I was happy with how it cleaned my hands and how it made my hands feel after I used it. It was just, that smell just did not agree with me. It bothered me to the point where I just did not want to use it again. I gave it to my wife to use, and she didn't have a problem with it. So that's where we kept it. And yeah, and she used this one along with several other brands. It depends on her mood during the day which one she's going to use. But this one's been around for a while. I don't think she likes the smell either, but she thinks it's fine because she was the one to buy this one in the first place. So yeah, but yeah, other than the smell, there's really no downside. It has a really good way of making your hands feel soft and nice after you put it on your hands and wash your hands. It really makes you feel like, your hands are clean without leaving them crazy dry. A lot of soaps make you want to put on some lotion right away because, some of them really dry your hands out like it's alcohol in there or something. But not Jergens. This one's really good when it comes to that. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Jergens Extra Moisturizing Hand Wash, and this is the cherry almond flavor. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.